Apartment facade. Text, Union on Fletcher Apartments. Two women enter apartment building. Greetings from Tampa, Florida. Colorful, modern lobby. Large screen TV, pool table, sitting areas. Two women play table tennis. Study cafe has tables, chairs, coffee bar, and colorful decor. Outdoor dog park with agility structures and bench. Red husky runs in the park. Apartment has modern decor with stainless steel appliances. Man and woman play Never Have I Ever. Woman studies at laptop in her bedroom. Large bathroom. Large walk-in closet. Two women stand on balcony overlooking pool area. Large pool with chaise lounges and palm trees. Hammocks. Grills poolside. Two women play cornhole with Union on Fletcher platforms. Fire pit and lush outdoor common area. Woman opens her laptop in indoor study area. Woman uses a treadmill in the workout room. Treadmills, weight bench, mirrored walls, dumbbells. Neon sign reads, "Live here, live well." Apartment building entrance. Union on Fletcher Apartments, uniononfletcher.com.